Hi friends, welcome to my channel that is Versatile Love. Today I am here to show you how to do Rakhi for your baby. In my previous video you have seen how to make Rakhi at your home, but that is for elder. Now today I am showing you how to make Rakhi for your little one. So here I have taken this is the actually earring. By the use of earring you can do this for your baby, and for this require the scissor, and also for dhaga you require this wool, this crochet tool for making this wool, and also this is the thread, and definitely Fevicol and some decorations. I have taken some stars and all. Okay, so here I am starting how to do it. Here I have taken two colors of thread. This thread is actually used for stitches. So here like this way you just need to do this is crisscross method, right? Like this way you can do this by the use of small size bangle of your little one. So for in hurry I am not able to find it out, so I have taken this stool. This is actually act like a bangle. Like this way you need to do this is crisscross method. You can see my dear friend how I am doing this. So friend, as you have seen, I have already completed the red one, so I am knot it with this white one, and like the same way I am doing it in crisscross method. So friend, you can see I have already completed. Okay, like this way I have already completed. Now by the use of scissor I will cut it off. Oh, before that I need to fix it. Okay, before that I need to fix it. So friend, right now I am fixing this one by this use of needle, by the use of this needle. So like this way you just need to stitch it off. Okay, you just need to stitch it off from this side to other side, from this side one side to other side. No need too much of mathamari, just like this way. Those who do not know how to stitch, they can also even do it very easily. Okay, like this way, from this side to other side. You can see from this side to other side. So friend, you can see my stitches has done from just middle of it. Okay, so right now I am cut it off. Like this way you just need to cutting off all the thread, like this way. This is not a silk thread. Friend, if you have the silk thread, please do use that, because this is the cotton thread. And in cotton thread na rakhi is not looking so good. If possible, try to do this by the use of silk thread. Okay, because cotton thread is not look so shiny. The shiny effect is not here. So let's see. Today I am also doing the first time. Today I am also doing this for the first time. So I also don't know how it would be looks like. Hope ki it will turns good and looks beautiful. Yippee! This is ready, and this is looks like a chrysanthemum, right? This is looks like a chrysanthemum. So here I am doing this, but I feel if I am using silk thread, it will be looks more eye-catching. Okay, so here now it has been done. So now I have taken this woolen and doing the chain which I have show you how to make this chain stitch or knot stitch. Okay, you just take this like this, and by this way you can do this. By this way you can do this. Are you able to understand now? How do I make this? Like this way. Okay. কথা বলবে না, তুমি আসতে পারো, তুমি কথা বলবে না, তুমি এখানটায় বসো, তোমাকে ক্যামেরায় দেখতে পাওয়া যায়, বসো বসো বসো, সবাই দেখতে পাবে তোমাকে, বসো 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 বসো, সবাই দেখতে পাবে তোমাকে, হ্যাঁ বসো। So here is friend, I have already done, and right now I am doing this. I am fixing my Rakhi. I don't know what is happening with this gum. Yes. Why I am taking this fork, I will tell you. By the use of fork, you can do this pom pom. You can do this pom pom. So here in the other side, I will fixing of a small size paper so that it can fix it well. So it can fix it well. এত বড় দিয়েছিস, so it can fix it well. বসো বসো বসো, শোনো বসো, my son. So friend, you can see my Rakhi is done. Some decoration is required. So now I am decorating it with this just I just put on or fix it off just onto my Rakhi, just onto my Rakhi. Rakhi, I have fixed it well, and other than this I will fix it off some star, because they knows twinkle twinkle little star. So I am decorating with some stars also. So why you have seen, why I have taken this fork, this is because for making this pom pom, for making this pom pom. My baby is always here for disturbing me. Yes. So friend, you can see how my Rakhi looks like. How my Rakhi looks like. Just have a look on to my Rakhi. Just have a look onto my Rakhi. So please friend, please tell me how it is, okay? It's looking awesome, and I think your little one will be happy Okay, I think he or she will be very happy. Okay, so friend, if you like this video, please do not subscribe. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel and keep loving me. Keep spreading love. Till then, have a nice day. Have a beautiful day. Tata, bye bye. And friend, please, if you want to say something, if you want to criticize about this video, please do this. Then I will understand what is my fault, what to rectify. Okay, okay. Till then, goodbye. Tata, bye bye, and happy Rakhi to all. Bye bye.